What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kenysha. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, my loves. Welcome back, my doves. Let me try to get through this unboxing right now with you guys because I am feeling like these are the pieces that I don't know. This is from the Louis Vuitton x Takashi Murakami collection. As you know, we are all about TMLV XTM right now, and I, as you can see, have been all up and through these goodies. You guys told me you want me to tell you when I am buying things, and so I said, all right, I'm gonna tell them when I'm buying things and how I'm feeling about these things. I have 2 items here, and I'm telling you right now, I don't know how I'm feeling about these 2 items. So I do feel like I need a little bit of assistance because I am fortunate enough to have been offered these items, and I love the packaging for cherries. I don't know how that stain got there. There's a little stain on the box. Gross. So in this piece, I was offered this little cute little keychain, key charm. You know, we're all into the bag charms right now. And here it comes with its little tag so that you can see if you're trying to look up the code. And then it's got its little clasp and Louis Vuitton on both sides and a little piece of vachetta. And then it's got these cute little cherries, smiling cherries. And then it's got the mirror here outfitted in a red leather. And then we've got our beautiful monogram canvas on the back, which the reason why I said yes is because it just feels so nice. You know, if you're into the AMR-ish kind of side of YouTube, this is like what I'm talking about. It says Louis Vuitton x Murakami engraved on the mirror. So that's how you know this is a piece from that line. I think this was only $445, and I was keeping it because of why? Why are we doing these things to ourselves? I don't know, except it's super cute. And a mirror is always very handy in a pinch sometimes. So I said, sure, why not? I'll take a look at it and I'll go from there. This is the series mirror. It's so cute, is it not? Look at the little leaf and the little smiling cherries and Louis Vuitton x Murakami on the mirror. And then just beautiful leather. Nice thick glazing piece right here with the mirror inside so that if you drop it, it's hopefully not going to shatter. It's very durable, very hard wearing. This was one piece where your girl was just on the fence with, what are we doing here, Ken? Are we keeping? It's too late for me to return these pieces, by the way. I forgot to mention that. It's too late for everything. It's just too late for me, you guys. It's just too late. So I can't even return. I can't even say keep or return. Now look at the second piece. This piece came in a regular Louis Vuitton box with the new opening closure. Who knows how that actually works? I don't know what the point was, if we're saving money here, LV, or if this is going into those fake manufactured price increases you keep hitting us with. But just a thought, just putting it out there. We don't get it. I don't get it. So this is the, as you can see, cosmetic pouch is coming. And so I was able to get my hands on the infamous mini cosmetic pouch, the small. And so I was taking a look at this. You heard the long pause, and you have already seen this beautiful piece. What got me was the beautiful red interior. I'm not gonna lie. The red interior is stunning. It is truly stunning. It is truly a work of art. Made in France, no less. Girl, made in France. I said, how could you be on the fence with a piece like this, Ken? Just how? Leather interior, vachetta. You can't even miss the tag, girl. They made it like XXXL for us older senior folks getting up there in age so that we can't miss it. Okay, nice a little pocket on the inside. Easy to wipe her down when she gets filthy. Hopefully we're not going to be getting this one filthy. Extra large pool tab. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is everything, is it not? Poppin' cherries on there. Poppin'. I really am feeling like this piece is really cute. LVs all the way around until they're upside down. 2 on the back, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the front. Whew. The symmetry is everything. They really did this one good. What are we thinking? Why are we on the fence? I don't know. I just guess I never thought I would get this piece or have a piece like this in the past. I've always gone for the GM, the larger version. When this one came upon me, your girl just said, sure, why not? Stitching is even Steven. I mean, it really is beautiful. Honestly, the red is getting me. I really love red with monogram for Louis Vuitton. For whatever reason, the red is just, with monogram specifically, not Damier Ben, just gets me. So these were the couple of pieces that I was just like, really, Ken, you know, do I need to start just putting some stuff in there? I feel conflicted if I start to put things inside. Do I want to let it go is also the question. Where are these questions coming from? I feel like it's the mindful side of me. Like, I have a lot of things that I am still going through to figure out if I need all these extra small leather goods. Too many small leather goods. We need to go through the small leather goods. I am procrastinating on going through the small leather goods. So help get your girl out here. We have got to do this. Let's see, what are we gonna do to get Kenysha off the procrastination hump? Is there a hippopotamus icon? I need to see enough of it. And you know, I need to also know your opinions on whether or not we're keeping the keychain mirror or not, and whether we're keeping the small cosmetic pouch with cherries or not. You like my hat? This is my recent unboxing. Kaylee gave me some feedback. Shout out to Kaylee telling me I need to get closer with the chair, giving her all the details. I was like, girl, well, let me give you the details on the hat. I forgot. I was so excited that I didn't even go into all of the where is it from and what is it made of and et cetera, et cetera. Same thing, the chair has a tag like this that your girl can get all up into for you if you would like. Anyway, just drop some emojis down there for the chair and the hat. Go and see that unboxing and tell me what you think. Can you even see what's going on here? Let me read it for you. 100% cotton material. Lining is 100% cotton. Trimming is 100% polyester. Made in Italy, my friends. Okay. And the lining is cotton. So we are dealing with nothing but the beach right now. We are ready to chill at the beach. Your girl just came back from Florida and I'm ready to go back if you ask me. Anyway. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in another video. I hope you have subscribed by now and are following me on Instagram and TikTok. Smooches, deuces, catch you in the next video. Happy summer to you. So I typically like talking about mindful luxury here on my channel, as well as keeping it real when it comes to all of these designer things that we enjoy, always with a balance towards making sure that we are mindful with our money. And so one of the things that I wanted to talk about today as part of my life update is my divorce is final. I wanted to give you a little peek into my mindset when it comes to how I feel women in general need to consider their future. Statistics show that women are the ones who typically have no savings, no retirement, die early for marriage, okay? I am trying to guide you along this journey called life in case you come upon some obstacles that you were not expecting or intending to befall you. That is life. That is what happened to me. You don't get married expecting to get divorced, although I would say that nowadays It is questionable. I really wanted to get this message out here on taking care of yourselves out here and protecting yourself by having your own accounts. And even if you have a joint account, which we did, have your own accounts to fall back on and rely on that no one else has access to but you. And worst comes to worst, those joint accounts, people will take the money out. Yes, they will take the money out. And they will try to leave you destitute. It is a form of control. It's nasty out there. And if you don't have your fallback plan, you will be destitute, or you will be forced to fall under the thumb of the man, of whoever is trying to control you, trying to lord over you, that they have the resources that you need, and that if you want them, you have to do what they say. You never want to find yourself in that position. And yet so many women do. It is tragic. A lot of you have said to me, Kenysha, it gets better. I can tell you it does get better. I can finally tell you it does get better. I'm feeling the truth of that statement.